able to also uh, understand English. So they get nervous. They face the lots of problems in their school. They say that these children are not to communicate with us. They threatening us. Sometimes they mocking us like that. So
Yes. Good evening, sir. How are you?
I am fine, sir. And what about you?
I'm also fine. Thank you so much for asking.
Okay. It is our first meeting, I think.
Yes, yes. I think your camera is not now okay.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Please. Please, sir, introduce yourself first.
Okay. Hello.
Yes, yes, please.
Okay, okay. So my name is Vishal Sen. I am from Madhya Pradesh, district Ratlam,
Mhm.
and I have done my graduation in Bachelor's of Arts, and I have been working in police department since 2014, as well as I run a YouTube channel for English speaking. That's all about me.
Okay, wow. You are a policeman.
Yes, yes. And sir, now I would like to know about little bit yourself.
Okay, why not? Sir, well, my name is Sudhir Patil. I'm from Jalgaon, Maharashtra, and I'm working in a private sector. By profession, I'm a teacher. I teach computer, and I have also YouTube channel. I always upload my videos on my channel, and my I joined Clapingo for improving my fluency, and so it is all about me. And
Okay,
first of all,
okay.
okay, I will say to sorry to you because you mailed me, I think in July, but there was a problem with my Gmail account, so that's why
Okay,
I give
okay.
it, yeah, very late.
Okay, okay. It
Yeah.
happens. It is not in your hand. You can't do anything.
Yes, recently I got a notification and that's why I emailed you.
Yes, yes.
Yes.
That's great. So
Sir,
you,
now you say you joined police department from 2014.
yes, 2014. Yes.
Yeah. Now you are a government servant. Even though you are trying, you are improving your English communication. What is the reason behind it? I want to know.
Yes, yes, yes. Why not? What is the reason behind this? So I would like to tell you one thing. First of all, uh, 1 year ago, I had visited Tamil Nadu for searching an absconding accused. So where we faced some problem, and this was the biggest problem: how to communicate. Because at that time, I did not know how to speak English and how to speak Tamil. So I realized that English is very important, and you can say since that day I have been learning this language, and I am very passionate to learn this language, and I am very eager to learn this language anyhow. So that's why I am making this type of conversation.
Yeah. So did you join any classes? Means any private classes or any online app like a Cambly, Clapingo?
When I returned from Tamil Nadu, so I joined offline class. But they were teaching me he goes to market and she goes to market, something like that. So then I left the coaching classes and then I joined online. I have searched on YouTube. I have watched so many videos and then I had taken a subscription from Clapingo. I got 36 sessions and
Clapingo.
then yes, yes, I attended 36 sessions and I have attended so many sessions like I usually talk with Josh Talks. I use Josh Talk, Acid Fluency so that I can maintain my consistency and I can learn new things. So that's why I'm using this type of things.
Okay. When your English speaking journey start from? Actually,
You can say you can say approximately 1 year ago.
wow.
Approximately 1 year ago.
Within a 1 year, you are reach on a better level.
Yes, I can say because when I started my English speaking journey, so at the time I'm very uncomfortable. I am not able to construct a single sentence, but now I can talk in front of anyone. I can convey my idea in prominent manners. If we can convey our idea to someone, so I think we know English. This is not a big deal, but we can't say this is a piece of cake.
Yeah.
If we have good determination, good perseverance, good burning desire, so we can learn this language.
Yes. Yes. It's the same happened with me. But what in the starting I went to wrong. Okay. Means when I joined, I think 2020, my journey, English speaking journey. In those days, I do not have processed any Android mobile. After that, I purchased one mobile phone, and whole day I only watch YouTube videos, listen those videos, and watch those videos. Only 1 year, 1.5 year, I only did that, and after that, I start to making notes and where means tenses, how many tenses we use, and how to make sentences in particular tense. All I did, and after that I realized when I joined Clapingo, without practicing, it is not possible for us. When I joined Clapingo,
Yes,
I
yes.
realized I increased, and after that I started making my own videos. Now, currently my subscription is going on. 20 sessions are remain now, but now I am ready to converse with any other. And as a teacher, I teach in a English language. I face problem while conversation with someone, and it's like a day-to-day life conversation. And when we converse with together or narrating a situation, in that case, I stuck between the tenses and words and sentence making. So that's why I joined Clappingo, because I want to know how to convey proper message, how to use proper sentences and proper grammar. Because English is an international language. Once we learn, whole world we can command, means anywhere we can go, we can communicate with them, we can easily fly there. So I think English, that's why I start English. And one is the most reason was my son. Now he's studying in a third standard, and he is studying in a CBSE English medium school. So one day I thinking that, okay, what's happened in my life? I pass my life nowadays. I'm doing a job. It is very good, but what is my son's future? Because in the future English will be very important. So it is our responsibility to provide our children's environment, because he goes to school only 4 to 5 hours, but remaining time he spent all time in our home. So in English environment in our home, it is also important. So that's why I doing all those efforts, and that's why I joined the class.
Yes, yes. You are doing a great job. But as you mentioned, like you are a teacher, so which subject do you teach?
I computer I teach computer 4 to 8 standard students.
Okay, photo description. As you mentioned that you have watched a lot of English video. So I would like to suggest, like nowadays you are doing very well job. You have attended so many sessions and you are attending session with good tutors like Clapingo. But you know, if you want to be a good speaker, so speaking is very, very important. You have to speak more and more, because speaking comes from speaking. If we are reading, we are writing, we are watching in this video, but we are not speaking, so we are not able to speak. We can't convey
Yeah.
our idea, source and idea in prominent manner. So that's why you should speak more and more as much as you can, and try to connect with the English speaking environment.
Yes, yes, it happened to me.
Yes, yes. So today is your holiday.
Yeah, today it is a holiday because government gives a holiday. It was a yesterday's holiday, but government declared that yesterday's holiday to be declared today.
Okay, okay. But in our department there is no holiday. Today is also my duty, and you can say yesterday I was also at my duty, and we can't get leave for festival season. But nowadays we are celebrating the festival, so that's why.
Okay, okay. Yes, sir.
So could you
You are you are recording
hello?
this video?
Yes, I have started recording this video, and after ending of the session, you can get automatically this recording. So don't worry about it.
Yeah, because there is no option available in my mobile recording. That's why I'm asking to.
Yes, I have started recording. Don't worry. So what I'm saying, like I forgot. So could you please tell me what your channel's name?
Yes, sorry.
Your channel's name. What is your channel's name? YouTube channel's name.
Yeah, 9 minutes English.
9 minutes English. Okay, that's great.
There is a Indian flower India with a Indian flag.
Okay, okay. I will search on YouTube.
I also searched your channel with name Vishal Sen, but there was other channels were there. So what is your channel name?
My channel name is Learn with Patience.
Learn with patience. Okay. I thought your channel name would be a Vishal with a Vishal Sen. So that's why I
No, no,
searched
no.
your channel Vishal Sen.
So
Okay.
you are
Okay.
attending the session of clipping. Was apart from this session, what are you doing for learning this language? You are doing anything else, or like you are reading or writing, and what are you doing?
Yeah. I read books whenever I get the time. I pick the books and read the book. Nowadays, I reading epic Mahabharata. It is a book for children, but now if we want to learn English, so it is very crucial to read books, but not difficult level, but children's book. So Mahabharata, it is a epic for children only. So the it there is a very good language. So nowadays I'm reading that book, and one book I also get. It is a Wings of Fire, a Dr. APJ Abdul Kalam's book. Two books
Yes,
are
yes,
now
Wings
I'm
of Fire.
yes,
Okay, okay, that's great. So you are doing absolutely very well job.
yes, yeah.
So
Only
you
one
usually upload. Hello.
I upload a weekly one session on and about only Clapingo, because nowadays my working is going on, so 11 to 6 p.m. My whole day went to my school for practicing. I not getting proper time for video making and uploading, so it gets lots of time to video making video. Okay, and
Yes, yes.
there's a very louding surrounding here in my side. So that's why I'm not able to make a proper video. When I get a Sunday and holiday, in that case, I make a video and upload the video for my special.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
Okay, okay, that's great. So you are learning this language, you can say, for the last 2 years,
yeah,
2 to 3 years. Okay.
yes,
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 yes. Because everything was going on very well in my life, you can say 1 year ago. I have never thought that I have to learn this language. But an incident took place, so that's why I have thought this is very necessary nowadays. Because we usually go to come out from our comfort zone. Like I usually go to West Bengal, South area, and Tamil Nadu, Kerala, this type of states. So if we have a good command over this language, so we can get good respect and good opportunity, and we can talk very confidently. So that's why this is very necessary. And now I'm enjoying this journey of learning this language. It's phenomenal journey. So I'm enjoying the journey because I have very little time, and whenever I get some time, so I try to connect with people. Morning I couldn't attend your session because I was thinking that you will not come, but I saw your message after 15 minutes. Oh, you are available. So I thought that I message you.
yeah. Actually, 4 to 5 p.m. I was free, but there was a guest comes in my house. That's why I put the message instead of 4 5. We will join 5 to 10. So now they are sitting in my house, and I'm sitting conversation with you.
Okay, okay. So you can attend your guest.
Yeah, no, I attend them, and they are now conversation with my wife. They are meeting with now.
Okay, okay.
I told them I have a meeting with my friend, and I come on the terrace.
Okay, okay, that's great. So you can ask me anything.
Yeah. So are you married, sir?
Yes, sir. I am married, and I have 2 kids. Okay.
Yeah. So
I
how old are your kids? Are?
I have a daughter. He is 6 year old, and a son is 1.5 year old.
Okay. So there is a English environment in your house nowadays because you are learning English. So how you communicate with
No,
you
no,
with your daughter? Because she is now 6 year old.
no, no. I usually talk in Hindi language at my home. In Hindi
Yeah. So
language.
this is the big mistake we do in our family. If you want to improve your children's communication, and if you want to they also speak like you, so speak with
Yes,
them. Yes, because
yes, yes.
they
You are absolutely correct.
yeah, now my eldest son is 8 years old. He is learning in third standard. Every day 1.5 hours I speak with him English only. Whatever I speak, I know he refused to speak with me because sometimes he told me that, Papa, don't speak English with me, speak with Marathi because we speak in Marathi. But I told him, if you listen more, if you he understand whatever I'm saying, he understand, but he are not able to speak with me. So I told him, don't speak. If you are not able, don't speak, but only listen. What I am asking you, what I am speaking with you. And nowadays he also asking his few questions, few sentences he also. So it is very important because they are now small kids. If you converse with them in English, so they easily grasp and they will easily learn by default. Means we are speaking Hindi and Marathi. Who teaches? No, we learn by facing environment, learning from the environment. So similarly, give them environment. They will definitely learn. Speak with them. Nowadays, I'm doing the same condition. Now I have also two kids. One is a third 8 years old now, and another is a 1.5 year. So I'm doing the same process.
Yes, yes. I will definitely do this type of thing.
Yeah, because it will get her lots of help, and because each and every parents want to get admission in English medium school. But what happens?
Yes, yes.
Just English. few students are also able to understand English, and they also able to speak English. But our few children are not able to speak English, and they are not able to also uh, understand English. So they get nervous. They face the lots of problems in their school. They say that these children are not to communicate with us. They threatening us. Sometimes they mocking us like that. So
Yes, yes,
this,
you are absolutely correct.
yeah, because my son told me
Yes,
all
yes,
those things. Yeah,
yes, you are absolutely correct. Because we should create some English speaking environment ever at home so that our children can also learn this language.
yeah, yeah. By birth they would learn. They will learn.
Yes, yes, you are absolutely correct.
So, sir, you are you are Marathi medium students, or sorry, so you are from
Hindi
MP.
medium.
So I Hindi medium. So there was any environment in there was any environment in your house when you were
No, no, there is
sorry.
no environment.
Okay. So from school in the school days, how you were in English in a good level, or you think English is a boring subject?
No, not a boring subject, but you can say I'm an average student of English at that time because I usually depend on two to three things like application and wonder of science and essay of Mahatma Gandhi. We depend on all these things.
Okay.
I have never thought that I have to be like I have to speak. I have never thought in
Yeah.
in my academic
Same.
level. But now I
Yeah.
realize that this is very important.
Yes. Same things happened with me also. I was fond of English, but my environment was family, my farmer environment. My father was a farmer, and that's why I did not get more time to practicing and learning English. So, but nowadays I'm realizing because I'm a teacher in a private sector. So whenever I go for interviews, I face lots of problems for taking interviews, and they ask in English, and I don't have knowledge about English. So all the problem comes together. So that's why I joined this moment.
Yes, yes.
Hello.
So please keep it up. Please keep it up because the practice makes a man perfect. And please maintain your consistency, and you are doing a real job. And I think after if you will maintain your consistency after 3 to 4 months, you can improve your vocabulary and you can improve your communication skills as well.
Yeah. Yes. Till today, I was only listening and watching the English content. But nowadays, I'm making my own videos and uploading it because
Yes,
practice
yes.
is most
So please keep it
important.
up.
Yeah. Next time,
I
if
think the
yeah,
length. I think
yeah,
the length of video is 23 to 24 minutes. So
yeah. I
hello.
think it's okay. Okay. If we join next time, we will join with a subject. We will debate on a
Topic.
yeah. So it will be better for our communication. New vocabulary will be also comes in our mind. Okay. So now I think how many times? I think 20
24
20.
minutes
Okay, okay.
approximately.
Now, yeah. Okay. Thank you, sir. Have a nice conversation with you, and thanks. Please
Thank you,
join.
sir. Thank you so much. Thank you,
Okay,
thank
okay.
you.
Thank.
Bye.
Okay. Bye, sir.